Today I discuss about how to HP88 toner refilling. At first, one side one screw, drag out clip, after that two parts separate, release drum, release PCR. At first we clean recycle ink, open two screw, plug out wiper plate, empty recycle ink, clean wiper plate, plug in wiper plate, plug in two screw in wiper plate, plug in PCR, plug in new drum, plug in new PCR, plug in new drum. This part is ready. I change PCR and drum. Now refilling part, plug out screw, plug out clip, that is magnetic roller, change doctor plate, plug out two screw, empty all ink, plug in doctor plate, plug in two screw in doctor plate, plug in magnetic roller, now ink refill, plug out cap, now ink refilling, now plug in cap, clean this part, plug in this part and plug in screw, clean this. Now set this toner, fix this spring, Plug in this part. Plug in screw. Now toner repairing complete. Now test this toner. Install this toner in printer. Xerox page toner repairing complete. Print out okay. Thank you for watching.